Perfect timing to win $2 million.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, that is amazing.
Yeah, especially if you've got those two big things coming up.
There it goes on the wedding. It'll be gone.
Hopefully
They're
not.
expensive. I'm just
Oh,
saying.
yes, absolutely.
Yeah, I'm just saying the weddings, they're not cheap. So yeah, good timing there. If you like snow and trying to think of something to say about the new year, then you've got good timing. Because,
Well, New Year, the freshness in the air maybe
New
is
Year,
inspiring.
new snow map.
All I was thinking was the fact that, like, we're not going to be in Times Square. We'll get a little bit of confetti of our own, right? If you want to put it that way.
It won't
It's something
come down
falling from the sky.
in squares like it will there, but yeah, we'll get some snowflakes coming in. The system to do it is working through the Great Lakes region right now. Out ahead of it, clouds will be thickening up, and snow will be working into western Maine by the time the clocks hit midnight tonight. There may also be a few scattered snow showers up and down the Maine coast, but things don't really start to pick up until we get into tomorrow morning. That initial wave of snow will be working to the east, so a lot of eastern Maine will be getting snow. And if you're watching from the mountains or western southern Maine, tomorrow's not going to be overly active. I think it'll be off and on scattered snow showers. The focal point will be to the east of I-95, south of Bangor, down into the Penobscot Bay area, and then down east Maine. That's where we're looking at heavier snowfall, and that ramps up into the mid to late morning hours of Thursday as this coastal low brushes by down east Maine. As this low tries to swing into Canada, the counterclockwise influence of it is going to try and drag down additional snowfall Thursday afternoon to down east Maine, and this stripe of snow could also drop heavy snow. So that's why the totals are trending up. And if you're, again, in western southern Maine, this is all wrapping up by the early to middle parts of the afternoon. Everything winds down into Thursday evening as that low departs, and then for the weekend and Saturday, Sunday, it's going to be quite cold. Snow totals, again, we are upping the amounts for down east Maine. This is where that the winter storm warning is for Hancock and Washington counties, and we think some places could get up around 10 inches of snow. That would be more isolated, but again, what I'm trying to say is the focus is going to be in down east, with snow totals tapering down fairly quickly as you get to the mountains, the western and southern parts of the state, a coating to 2 inches for most everyone else. That cold feel is sticking with us through the weekend. A Greenland block, high pressure over Greenland, is bunching up the jet stream, so it's buckling, it's not moving a lot, and that won't change really till the middle of next week as the high moves out, the low moves north, and we get a more progressive pattern. That pattern will help us shake off the cold. We may make a run at 40 next Wednesday, but that 40 may also come with another system working through here. On the water tomorrow, 3 to 5 foot seas. Winds behind a cold front tomorrow will pick up to around 40 knots for the gusts out of the west. And with that cold front will come cold temperatures close to 0 at night through the weekend, with teens inland, perhaps a few morning snow flurries on Sunday, and then that warm up comes in by the middle of next week. We might be pressing 40 with another system coming through here. Right now it looks like a mixed bag of wintry precip, so rain, snow, freezing rain, sleet, all on the table, but that's still a week out, lots of time to refine.
This is the first time I think I've seen negatives on that inland forecast. Obviously not for other people, but for me personally, that is quite the number.
And those are just air temperatures.
Yeah, the wind chill, it doesn't, I was looking at wind too, because clearly that's important, but it doesn't look like we're in for, aside from tomorrow, any significant windy days to really drop those wind chills. But yeah, cold. It's going to be cold. I'm trying to sugarcoat it. It's going to be cold. Yeah.
Well said. Thanks.